Hey there, I'm Nora, your virtual guide here at Norce. Welcome to the series of videos about how to manage your product catalog in Norce Commerce. In this video, we will go through the Images and Files tabs and what you can do here. Let's explore. The Images and Files tabs are similar. Both let you handle file uploads of different attachments. Let's look at the Images tab first. Every product can have a main image, which is optional but recommended, since Norce admin uses it as thumbnails and listings, among other things. Below the main image, you can upload more images under a pre-configured image type. You can read more in the documentation about how to set up file and image types. Each image type supports many images, and you can move them around with drag and drop, changing the order of the images or moving an image to another type. Clicking on the setting wheel on the thumbnail lets you move the image to a variant or use it as the main image. Note that all image types are enabled at both the variant and the product level. Finally, if you click on an image, you can edit some metadata about it, such as the description and the auto-generated code field, which lets you update or change the image information from somewhere else, like your integration. Let's have a look at the Files tab. It works the same way as the Image tab. The only difference is that there is no specific main file, only files under each file type. Here you can upload, move, and change the files in the same way as you do with images. Files can be of several formats. Most used are PDF, MP4, and zip, but the embedded format is also common, where you, instead of uploading a file to Norce, create a link to an external service, like YouTube or Vimeo. So in summary, the Images and Files tabs give you a place to work with your uploaded attachments on the product and its variants. You can work with a main image used primarily by Norce UI, upload files or images for any types, remove, move, or sort files and images around on the page, and lastly, move files and images to a variant or product level as you wish. It's a piece of cake really.